everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show you 3 steps to make the photo restoration workflow much easier, more enjoyable and much faster. So guys, let's rock and roll. I have opened this image already and now I have only one layer. What I will do, I will duplicate this layer just to show you before and after. Our first step will be, I will go to filter menu and from here I will click on neural filters, just like that. When I will click on it, Photoshop will open neural filters gallery with workspace with all neural filters available for us. If you never worked with neural filters before or you didn't work with some specific filter, you will see this iCloud cloud icon. Click on it and this filter will be downloaded to your machine. I already downloaded photo restoration filter, and what I will do, I will enable this filter simply clicking on this switch, and just like that, neural filter workspace enabled my photo restoration filter and already applied some fixing to this image. And look at this, I like it a lot, but I have all these scratches I would like to remove. I would like to remove as many scratches as possible. To do so, I will move my scratch reduction slider pretty much all the time to the right. Why I'm moving this slider all the way to the right? Because I have a lot of scratches, so I would like, as I mentioned just a second ago, to remove as many as I can. And I'm more than sure, look at this photo restoration filter did it for me. At the bottom of your neural filters workspace, you have this before and after icon. Click on it and you will be able to preview before and after. If you would like to apply further modifications, you can continue doing this using same workspace in photo restoration neural filter. At the bottom of neural filters gallery, you have also this output option. I specify output to current layer. You can specify to any other output you wish. What I will do after I specify my output setting, I will click on OK. And guys, look at this before and after. I will deselect my layer. Next step will be, if I will zoom in my image, you will see that this image has a lot of small dots. Can I remove these, all those dots manually? Sure, I can. I can do in many different ways, because we all know that in Photoshop we can do same thing in many different ways. I can use tools from a retouching family and everything like that. But as I mentioned, I would like to do everything faster and more enjoyable. Now I will show you step 2. Step 2 will be, I will enable object selection tool, just like that. And I will select her outfit, just like that. Look at that. After that, I will click Command J to create separate a layer with my selection, with her outfit selection. So this is our outfit. Now what I will do, I will click on filter. From here I will click on noise and dust and scratches, just like that. And look at this. Photoshop will open dust and scratches workspace. Don't forget to enable preview feature, because when preview is enabled, you will be able to preview everything what are you working on. So my radius right now is 11 and I'm happy with everything what I have. And a threshold is 8. So look at this and let me click on OK. Same I can do with her hair. To do so, I will select our layer, entire layer, not her outfit layer. I will switch back to my object selection tool and I will select her hair. When object selection tool selected her hair, I will click Command J to create separate layer with her hair, and I will do same filter, noise, dust and scratches. I will bring probably threshold value down about 4, and same I will do with radius about, let's see, about 5. Oh my god, I love it, and I will click OK. Now we have two cleaned up layers. We have her outfit. Let me show her outfit layer and her hair layer. What I will do, because I have extra layer to show you before, I will hide visibility of this layer and I will merge all other layers. Merge visible, just like that. And let me show to you before and this after. Look at this, guys. It's already huge change. Next step will be, it's a third step. Third step will include step number 3 and step number 3.1. Extra tip for you. 3.1 step is an extra tip. So what I will do now, guys, I will go to filter, and from here I will click on camera raw filter. Yes, guys, camera raw filter. From here, what I will do, I will click on masking. And right away, here I have a background masking option. I will click on it to select the background. Look at this, my background is selected, and I will bring contrast value down. Also, I will move my clarity slider a little bit to the left, and same with texture. Now we have more smooth background. I like it a lot. Also, after I finish this step, I can click on edit icon, and I will be redirected to back to edit menu. Here, guys, I will click on black and a white icon right away, just like that. And I can adjust my image in a way I like. First of all, I will increase contrast. I will increase exposure, just slightly. Also, I will move my blacks slider to the left to add more drama to my image. And I will move shadow slider slightly to the right. Look at this, and I will click OK. This step number 3. But you will tell me, Victoria, I have all these scratches around her on the background. Yes, guys, you have a lot of scratches. Also, you have few imperfections on her face. To fix it, I will switch to remove a tool, one of my favorite newest tools in Photoshop. In the options bar, I would like to show you, I disabled remove after each stroke option, and I will explain why just in a second. So a remove tool is currently active. I will bring size of my tool down, and I will select this spot on her face, this spot on her face. After I clicked on the spot I would like to remove, and I released my hand, my mouse, or my pen, you will see that Photoshop does nothing. Remove tool does nothing. Why? Because I asked a remove tool, please don't remove after each stroke. Wait till I will tell you, yes, now you can remove it. Why? Because this example is perfect, actually. I have a lot of spots I would like to remove from example now from her face. I'm sorry. I don't want Photoshop and remove tool start removing everything after each click I made. I would like to select all imperfections I would like to remove, And after that, I will let Photoshop know, yes, 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 Photoshop, yes, 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 remove tool. Now you can remove it. I will click on apply, and just like that, look at this. Photoshop removed areas I specify. I can continue working on it. I can continue removing imperfections, but I don't want to keep you here longer than it's supposed to be. Extra tip I would like to show you, 3.1 step, is working on her background. You can use different retouching tools available for us. Don't think that you're supposed to use only one tool. You can use as many tools as you need, and sometimes manual removing actually is enjoyable, and I like working on it. Now, example, I will switch to, let's see, on patch tool. I will select this area, and I will move this selection to the area next to it, and voila. Same example I will do with this, and voila. So guys, this is 3 easiest ways how to make your photo restoration workflow much enjoyable. After you will spend a little bit more time on her background. By the way guys, yes, you can select entire object and exchange background. It's up to you. As I mentioned just a second ago, we can do same thing in Photoshop using many different ways. This is my finished example. So what I did, I used in this background, it's her original background. I didn't change anything. I used different retouching tools in Photoshop, and by the end my background looked like this. So guys, again, this is 3.1 steps you can start your photo restoration from. You can start and finish using these 3.1 steps, or you can implement something else. You can have 3.1 steps as your starting point in your photo restoration workflow. So guys, thank you so much, and I will see you later. Bye.